Justin, are you familiar with our tire and wheel coverage?
No, I'm not.
Okay. Ever had a flat tire?
Yes,
Okay, it's sort of a pain, isn't it?
absolutely.
Was the tire, were you able to fix the tire or did you have to replace it?
No, it needed to be replaced.
How much was it?
Probably about $200.
Okay, that's about the average price of a tire these days. For next year, with this Motor Trend certified vehicle, your tires are covered. Okay, against anything you hit in the roadway that's not supposed to be there. Something as small as a nail, as big as a pothole. Something that falls off a truck, glass, metal, doesn't matter. You hit something in the roadway that's not supposed to be there and you damage your tire, we'll pay to have it fixed if it's fixable. If not, we will pay 100% of the replacement cost. Justin, you hit something hard enough, as in a large pothole, to break or bend the wheel to the point where it won't hold air, we'll replace the alloy wheel as well. As a matter of fact, we had a customer in an Acura not too long ago leave here. They didn't get 10 miles away before they busted their wheel and tire. Over $1,000 to replace the wheel and tire. Cost them absolutely nothing. We'll give you an unlimited number of wheels and tires. We ask that you don't go out of your way to bust them up. But for the next year, that coverage is complimentary. And when you meet Wanda, she'll show you how to extend that coverage out to 3, 4, even 5 years.
Great.
Cool?
Yeah.